Control Week being celebrated everywhere, all over the world, and the measures that we take in OT to control the infection, because in the entire hospital, the OT is supposed to be the most sterile place. আমরা সবচেয়ে ওটিটাকে আমরা চিন্তা করে রাখি সবচেয়ে স্টেরাইল প্লেস, যেখানে ইনফেকশন সবচেয়ে কম ইনফেকশন जहाँ पे हो, that place is the OT. So how do we maintain our protocol, or what are the protocols to maintain this our infection control in the OT, so that whatever cases that we do are least affected by the infections. Now any surgical যখনই পেশেন্টের কোনো সার্জারি হচ্ছে, what we dread is surgical site infection, and it's called SSI. There are two types of infection in the hospital. One is hospital acquired infection or the nosocomial infection যেটা বলি আমরা. The second one, we surgeons, we dread surgery হয়ে গেল, gynae হয়ে গেল, ortho, any surgery, we dread about is the surgical site infection. Remember, surgical site infection, hospital acquired infection, almost 2 to 5% cases হয়, almost. And in middle class or you can say the lower economic যে কান্ট্রিগুলো হয়, ওইটাতে this rate is much higher compared to the advanced countries like USA, UK. ওদের থেকে অনেক বেশি আমাদের কান্ট্রিতে হয়, যেগুলো লো ইকোনমিক স্ট্যাটাস যেগুলো আছে। তার থেকেও বেশি in our setup also, the private setups, and there's a hell of difference between the private setup and the government setups. কারণ majority of the patients, যদিও poor হয় বা একটু middle class family, they avoid going to the government hospitals. Why? বলবে নোংরা, খুব নোংরা ওখানে. Yes, ওখানে যে ইনফেকশন কন্ট্রোলের যে মেনটেনেন্সটা, সেটা it is not followed as ardently as it is followed in the private hospitals. That is why people prefer coming to the private hospitals rather than going to the government hospitals even today. Okay? In spite of all the facilities being provided by the government, there are very good government hospitals, but still people prefer coming to the private hospitals only because of this. Now, OT আমি যখন বললাম is one of the most important part of any multi-speciality hospital, and it is supposed to be the most sterile place. But is this the OT that we want? So for this, we have to take various measures. The infection control team, the OT staff, they take lot of measures to keep the area sterile. Okay? So, and what are those measures? I'll come to them one by one. A very simple thing, but requires a lot of effort. From outside, it appears okay that the OT is sterile, but what are the efforts that are taken? Are really tremendous effort taken by the OT staff. And we are lucky in ILS Hospital that our OT staff and infection control team has becomes that incision that gets converted into a clean contaminated wound. Contaminated wound means, for example, a perforation. অনেক সময় বডি পাও perforation, patient perforate করে গেছে, appendix perforate করে গেছে, gut perforate করে গেছে. That is right from the beginning, that is a contaminated wound, and any type of wound, clean contaminated wounds এর মধ্যে SSI হওয়ার chances খুব বেশি থাকে. Chances are very high, but still, thanks to the OT staff, thanks to the OT infection control team, still till date the infection rate in even this kind of patients are very, very, very less. The percentage is very less. I don't have any data, but grossly যদি বলি, আমার খুব কম পেশেন্টসের সার্জিক্যাল সাইট ইনফেকশন হয়, ইভেন ইন এ কেস অফ ক্লিন কন্টামিনেটেড or contaminated wound, খুব কম হয়. That is not only OT, but even the ward. Even wardেও যে মেনটেনেন্স হয় ইনফেকশন, that is one of the reasons that is the infection rate আমাদের অনেক কম. The fourth kind of wound is a dirty wound. For example, fecal fistula হয়ে গেল, যে that operation পরে লেভেল স্কিন লেভেল থেকে তোমার ওখান থেকে চুল বেরোচ্ছে, বা কেসেস অফ ব্যাড সেলুলাইটিস, যে আমি অনেক সেলুলাইটিস কেসে তোমার বডি দেখো, এই সেলুলাইটিস কেসেসগুলো যেগুলো খারাপ কেস, যেগুলো অল ডার্টি বোনস, এইগুলোতে বোন ইনফেকশন ঢোকার কোনো চান্স থাকে না, হবেই, বোন ইনফেকশন হবে। যতই আমরা মেজার নিই, যতই অ্যান্টিবায়োটিক নিই, যতই ইনফেকশন কন্ট্রোল আমরা করি, there is no chance, there 100% there will be infection, and for that we have to go for proper debridements and then proper antibiotic protocol. Okay, so to start with, this is a different, just a baseline develop, what are the different kind of wounds that we deal in surgical field. Okay, and prevention of occupational hazards. This is again, occupational hazards means infection not only to the patient, so infection থেকে তো আমাদেরও আসতে পারে, and especially এখনের কন্ডিশনের উপরে in the COVID times we have to take proper measures to prevent the infection coming from the patients to us, especially in COVID. প্রচুর COVID patient ঢুকছে, যদিও কমছে এখন, but again it is increasing, so we have to take wearing proper mask, wearing PPI, wearing gloves, whatever it is, that protection has also to be taken to prevent ourselves from the infection. So infection control is not only for the patients but also for the hospital staff, be it the housekeeping staff, the nursing staff, the doctors, everyone. So this is important. Infection control is important for all of us,
Thank you for
including the
watching my
doctors and the
video.
nurses.
If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and support me.